This man is a janitor who, in just a few minutes, solved a math problem that had stumped a professor for 2 years. Even more astonishing is the fact that this man has never had any formal education. All the knowledge he possesses comes from eavesdropping on lectures while cleaning. When the professor found out, he was utterly shocked upon seeing the solution steps. The individuals who had previously solved this problem all went on to become major figures in the mathematics world. Even the professor himself had taken several months to solve it, while this man only needed one night. Moreover, the man didn't even reveal his identity. Left with no choice, the professor presented an even harder math problem to challenge the man. However, the man was unaware of what was happening because he was actually a delinquent who had just been released from jail for fighting. While working, the man encountered the new math problem and began solving it, only to be caught red-handed by the professor. The professor immediately scolded the man, but the man ignored him. As the professor was about to chase after him, he was stopped by his assistant. Looking at the writing on the blackboard, the professor was stunned. The problem that had troubled the math department for so many years had been solved just like that. But the man's talent didn't stop there. He also possessed a photographic memory, able to remember entire contents after just one glance. The next day, the man found himself in court. He didn't hire a lawyer, instead relying on his accumulated knowledge to render the opposing lawyer speechless. However, with the criminal evidence staring him in the face, the man was still arrested and sent to prison. The bail amount was so enormous that the man couldn't afford it, leaving him no choice but to don the prison uniform. Meanwhile, the professor finally discovered the man's identity and came to visit him in prison. The professor offered to bail the man out, but only if he agreed to 2 conditions.